It looks like we're going to have 2 little pink-eyed whites and 3 little black and whites. That is my guess. They're very healthy babies and they're looking really, really good. Bella and Amelia are taking excellent care of them. This one here is a little girl. This one here is another little girl. This one here is a little girl. Little boy. It's the distance between the urinary papilla and the poop hole, and it's much longer in the little boys. Yeah, this one's a little boy. Girl. So I really think we do have 4 girls and 1 little boy. And let's put them on a little row. So we have 4 girls and 1 boy. And the boy is the colourful little one down on the right corner. The ears have uncurled, see? Little uncurled ears. And look at this one. This one's going to have a colour too. It's not going to be pink. Huh? Colour's coming through. Just it's going to be a very pale colour. I think this one may look just like her dad, who was a light grey with pink eyes and white spots. Not yet. This one may still be a white mouse just like Mom. It's a little guy. He's purring. He's going to be a beautiful black and white mouse. See the milk band just underneath the skin? It shows that they have been very well fed. Bella is doing a good job. It's going to be quite the dark little girl, but she's going to have some white markings. Let's put them together and see how we'll be able to tell them apart. Yeah, look very similar but slightly different, and one has a few spots on her back. So I'll be able to tell those 2 apart. And then this little one here is going to have some very pale markings. And this is the little boy, he's very colourful. And this one may be a little pink-eyed white girl. Still doing so well. And I've got to go put them back with Mom. Little boy on the right and 4 little girls on the left. Going to be a very, very pretty litter once that hair comes in. They're beautiful already. Healthy, fat, happy little babies. And that was the bird. That's a little birdie making lots of racket. Lots of noise coming from a little bird. Yeah, guys. Happy, fat little litter. Very well cared for. There's one little